Hello and welcome to August 19th, KR 288. Yeah, we fell back a little bit, but not doing good. But before we go on, I need to correct something here. We're seeing 19.9 here on SPY. The real truth is it's 19.3. So what it was, I went here and I went to January 4th, which is right there. And January 4th, it was 368.69. You can see there in the black tag on the right side. And we reached the top of 439.86. That comes out to 19.3. So this has been misleading, and I have corrected the slide as such, as you can see here. In addition, we are, excuse me, we are zero. We are even. Stochastic now is at break even. So now Stochastic between now and December, it's got to make up that 19.3, or 19.3 falls behind and we catch up. But there's the horse. There's the race for December going on now. Let's go on to our main event, and that is KR. KR is at 288. You see a small pullback. We have here. This is a bit of a warning sign. That is known as a shooting star. Yes, that's a shooting star, and it means that price tried to move above, and it got pushed back, and it got pushed back beyond even below the opening. So anticipation, probably come back somewhere in here, because you see the strong support of this long candle and the short support here. Possibility somewhere in here that this may even have a major pullback to this zone and then go up. You can see that we are in the overbought territories on both indicators down below, stochastics and RSI. You can also see too that the value line is extremely high on the MACD, and the MACD, even though still produced a green histogram, so it's still showing that there is some strength up there. Is it possible they can come down and have a small pullback, like maybe form a doji zone here somewhere along this line for the next few days? Absolutely. Yeah, there's nothing there. I mean, we have some two good strong candles here. It all depends upon what the portfolio managers have in their mind. So let's go ahead and do some numbers here. The low there, you see here, we had a low that marked off at $39. Remember, my rules about the portfolio managers is that they are average will take 20% off the entry, and they have their speak is a product will drop. We have a price drop of 15%. We call it in retail terms a drop. No, the portfolio manager call it a discount. It's a discount because it's 15% off the high. Therefore, they call it a discount, and that's what they're looking for buying. Now, do all buyers will come in at 15%? No. Portfolio managers all have their internal rules, as I have stated many times before, having served on a pension fund for 7 years and interviewed many portfolio managers. But what I'm getting at here is we have $39. So it's go 39 times 1.20. Where the portfolio manager is going to be taking profit at? Where? 46.88, 46.84. Right there. This is their, so whoever been buying down here at the $39, and look at the accumulation that we went through, and then it moved up because someone else got wind of it and started getting into it, and then we had that happen. And also, too, there was a story in the news. I did not read the article. I only read the headline. But apparently, Google and Cougars KR are forming some kind of partnership. Well, we'll see where that will go. The bottom line is we have price action here to watch, and that is the most important thing. So KR at 288, still holding on to 1229 against a ode of 2130. So that was the that is the situation there. Going on now to PG, and PG is at 114. I think that was a pullback from yesterday also. Let me take a look. No, it wasn't. It was actually, we went up. We went up. We were down yesterday. Oh, that's right. This was 101. This was 101 yesterday, and we pulled up now to 114. We're still in the 100 club. And yeah, let's do the numbers again. 136 on the low here, where it came down, hit a nice zone, and went popping back up again. So if we go and see where the portfolio managers might be taking profit here. So 136, remember the 20% rule is just a rule of thumb. Some will take profit at 15%, and some will take profit as much as 25 or 30%, totally dependent upon the internal fundamentals and the internal analysis. So an analysis will sit there and they'll go say, oh, you know what, this still has enough room for making another $5, $10, $15. And then they tell the traders, hey, look for this kind of target. So here at the bottom of 136, I'm going to apply our 20% rule of thumb rule. So 120, and our exit is 163. So we're still way short of the portfolio managers of the 20% people, 20% portfolio managers. All right, so that was PG, and we did clear the third ratio, but we're not giving it a third ratio exit yet because this is a DTE. We are going to go to October. So the idea is that we're still here at the first ratio exit, giving all this room up. Yeah, I know we're going to give up a lot of profit, but again, we are testing DTE. We're not testing 3 to 1, and we're not testing taking profit on the ratio scalps. Going on now to XLE. XLE is really interesting, and that is because of the fact is that XLE is a put. Yes, we have a put here, and look at this. We cleared the first ratio, we cleared the second ratio, and we attempted to, and we broke through the third ratio right here. Yes, this would have been a great take profit here at the third ratio, and because this is a put and not a DTE, so we can take profit anywhere along this line. So I am going to elect that we're doing scalping, so $47. We'll go ahead and do the $47 if it continues on more and closes beyond the 40. But that's the thing too. Portfolio managers, the traders. Now, there's a difference between investor traders and portfolio managers. Investor traders are the big guys who come up with the strategies for the trading. Such a person like Ed Thorpe, he would be definitely in that category, and Ray Dalio. So we're going to go ahead and lock in. We got 84. We have this only owes $85, and we are $192 to the good. Let's take that money off the table. So we're going to go to $45.90. So here we're going to come to the order ticket, and today's lesson is setting up the order ticket. You got to go show order, so you'll show up on your chart, and then now it is there. And now we're going to say we're going to go to $45.90. Remember, this is a put, so you're going to have to be a greater than. So here we go, close, replace. And we're going to come here to our little gear shift on the right. And we're going to come here and say, okay, now we're going to go to, and I forgot the number already so far, $45.90. So $45.90, if price reverses and hits $45.90, we are out of the trade and we'll pick up that profit. Okay, so there it is. And go confirm, and we're going on third ratio. We're going on the 3 to 1. 3 to 1, take profit. There we are. 3 to 1, take profit. And away it goes. So now we check the order ticket, and it's $45.90 is correct. So I'm going to go ahead and reset my reset my value scene. And there we are. So we are now here. We close here, and we're now here. And look at this resistance here. And because this ode is going to be taken out, the bottom line is we get a winner circle and get it off the lost leaders list. All right, that takes us to Bank of America. Now, Bank of America is running at 11%, and it cleared its gantry. So we are now at 45.15. So we do the same process. We come here to the show order ticket, apply, okay. Then we have the order ticket pop up. We're going to go to the EPS. That's going to be an EPS at exit. So we'll come here to cancel replace order. Come to the gear shift on the right, and we're going to go to the entry price was, oh, I forgot the entry price. The entry price was, oh, I can't get the entry price. Sorry, guys. See, this is what happens when you get a little bit too ambitious. You get too fast, but we'll fix it. We'll fix it for sure. We'll sure. So that is the, and now, oh, we're out of time. We're going to go on to TRL. We have some disappointing news there, but we're still strong. So with that said, we're going to conclude, and I'll adjust this exit for Bank of America, and we'll see that tomorrow. And no, we RTX did just stop out today, and it lost something like 30%. Okay, take care. We'll catch you on the next video.